explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 10th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is conjunctions, right? So, what are these conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words that we use to join the two words, a group of words, or the two sentences also, right? Because they help us to join these kind of things. They are also known as the joining words, right? So let us begin with the chapter now and see कि conjunctions के बारे में हमें और क्या-क्या चीजें बताई जा रही हैं. Conjunctions are also called linking words or joining words. As I told you right now कि conjunctions को हम linking words या फिर joining words भी कहते हैं. A conjunction is a word or group of words which join together other words, group of words or sentences. कि conjunction या तो एक word हो सकता है या फिर एक group of words हो सकता है जो कि join करता है कुछ words को, group of words को या फिर sentences को. A conjunction helps us to make a piece of writing shorter. ये conjunction help करता है कि हम अपने writing को और भी ज़्यादा short बना सके, right? हमें एक ही चीज़ को बार बार ना लिखना पड़े. Some very common conjunctions are given in the box below. कुछ common conjunctions हैं जो कि हमें यहाँ नीचे box में दिए गए हैं. Let's see what are they. Or, and, when, yet, neither, nor, while, so, though, even, for, while, also, either, or, because, since, but, as, unless, if, right? So, let's read the following sentences. अब जल्दी से इन sentences को पढ़ते हैं जो कि यहाँ दिए गए हैं. I might go by train or by bus. It is Sunday and we don't have to go to school. Take all your belongings when you leave the train. She was in fever, yet she went outside in rain. You can have neither the dog nor the cat. You can go either by bus or by train. She listens to music while cooking food. Though this computer is old, it is reliable. You can clean the room since you are free. If it rains, the match will be cancelled. Right? All these were the examples जहाँ पर हमने कुछ common conjunctions को use किया है. Now, moving ahead, we have the next thing which is conjunctions can be classified into two types. कि conjunctions दो तरीके से classify किए जा सकते हैं, right? The first is the coordinating conjunctions. The second is the subordinating conjunctions. So, first of all देखते हैं कि ये coordinating conjunctions और subordinating conjunctions कौन से होते हैं. Coordinating conjunctions are and, or, but, yet, therefore, so, for, else, right? Then the subordinating conjunctions are that, if, as, than, how, because, lest, before and after. Study the sentences given below. अब यहाँ पर कुछ sentences दिए गए हैं जिन्हें हमें पढ़ने के लिए बोला है. So let's see. She came and sat beside her father, or leave it. Work hard, else you will fail. Right? So, in the above sentences, the conjunctions are individual by nature as they join together independent sentences or clauses. Right? कि ये जितने भी sentences हैं, इनमें जो conjunctions हैं, ये nature में individual है, क्योंकि ये एक साथ join करते हैं independent sentences या फिर clauses को. Right? Such conjunctions are called coordinating conjunctions. इन्हीं conjunctions को हम coordinating conjunctions मानते हैं. Now, study the sentences given below. अब यहाँ पर कुछ और sentences दिए गए हैं, इन्हें पढ़ते हैं. Did you know that she is my sister? I cannot say how she wins a prize. Right? So, in the above sentences, one is the main clause and the other is depending on the main clause. कि ऊपर sentences में एक main clause है और दूसरा depend करता है main clause पे. Conjunctions joining such groups of words are called subordinating conjunctions. ये conjunctions जो कि इन group of words को join करते हैं, उन्हें कहा जाता है subordinating conjunctions. That was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.